Now, the chief of the National Conference, Farooq Abdullah, has welcomed the Congress party's decision to embark on yet another yatra. Farooq Abdullah has said that Rahul Gandhi is trying to unite all of India.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, मुबारक हो। भारत जोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वतन को एक करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। ये जो नफरतें मजहबों में शुरू कर दी है, इनको ख़त्म करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। इसमें क्यों नहीं शामिल? पहले भी शामिल थे, आज भी शामिल होंगे।
Well, let's go across to my colleague Niyamika, who joins us from Nagpur. Very interesting reactions coming in, Niyamika, to the Congress party's announcement that Rahul Gandhi will be embarking on a yatra from the east to the west. They claim this is not political. Of course, it's happening in the build-up to the elections, and one expects this to have some kind of electoral implications at the end of the day.
Well, absolutely, as this proposal was being made during the Congress Working Committee meeting, which has been conducted recently, in which many of the leaders, many of the state leaders have also suggested that Rahul Gandhi should take the Bharat Jodo Yatra 2.0, and this time this yatra is being named as the Bharat Nyaya Yatra. Even in today's press conference, the Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh has also mentioned that the only motto of this yatra is to give a social, economic as well as political justice to the common people of this country. However, many of the Congress leaders had also suggested during the CWC meeting that it is very much needed that this yatra should be taken up, because the morale of the workers of the Congress party needs to get boosted up because of the recently held assembly elections, in which the Congress party has faced a debacle in the states like Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. Many of the workers needs to be charged up once again for the 2024 general elections, and it is very much needed that the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi should take upon this yatra, which is now being called as the Bharat Nyaya Yatra. However, we would also like to mention that this time it is going to be a hybrid yatra. For some stretch, Rahul Gandhi is going to walk, and rest of the states will be covered through bus yatra, and 14 states are going to be covered in this Bharat Nyaya Yatra. 85 districts are there for this entire route, which is going to start from the state of Manipur, and this yatra is going to be concluded in the state of Maharashtra. Many of the opposition leaders have also come in open, and they have also welcomed, which also includes Farooq Abdullah, who had also participated during the Bharat Jodo Yatra last time as well, and this time also Farooq Abdullah has welcomed this move of the Congress party, this move of the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, by saying that this is basically an attempt on the part of the Congress party to unite this entire country during these days, during the time when the democracy is under threat.